If you're looking for a home with a nice view and some solar that's ready to move into, that's had fresh paint all the way throughout, the 9 Ellie Banning Avenue could be for you. It's got 3 bedrooms, a study, media room, nice deck and a spa at the back. How good is this view? Everybody wants a deck at the back of their property with a nice spa. Redlynch Valley, great neighbourhood. You're not going to find much better than that. Hope to see you at the open home. I'm Nickoli Obersky from One Stop Property.